All right, so we were out here at the end of last season, had a water problem down here. There was insulation in the drain pan. It literally wicked water from the insulation that was all stuck in there down into the ceiling. That was the initial problem, was with a water problem. System's really way too low, so the drain line's too low and it still doesn't drain good, or didn't before we were starting this. We're actually going to get this system picked up, put a new system in. It's very old and inefficient anyway, so we're going to kind of take care of a couple problems at the same time. Water issues, efficiency, and make it to where they don't ruin their total ceiling and floor and everything else that could happen if it wasn't caught in a timely manner. And now we're going to go down to the downstairs system. This is a 2-system install, and the other one was quite a mess also. They've already gotten that one removed, but I'll kind of show you, we're relocating it a little bit. So now we're in the second attic over here. This one was much more of a mess than the upstairs. Water pipe in the way. It was literally, 12 feet long instead of the normal 7 feet that it could be. No place to walk, no plywood. It's been rigged over and over and over again, so we're actually going to relocate this system and put it over where there's plywood, there's a decking, we can get to a filter easy, and just make every single type of improvement we can while we're in doing it. We always like to try and make things better than they ever were in the first place, so we're going to run our return off of this box over to the new system, take the gas line out so nobody's tripping over that, relocate the furnace to the other side, and just clean this thing up quite a bit. End up putting a little bit more decking down on the floor so everything's solid. They'll be able to use this as more like a storage if they ever want to. Put a flooring down here and clean this thing up, because it is a total mess right now. So if you have an older system looking to upgrade, we can definitely help you with efficiency. The quality obviously is the best that you can get with American Standard, and we would love to come out and give you a free estimate.